Hi everybody, and welcome to Happy Trails Hiking. We have a new camera to play with today. And hey Matt, thanks for my new camera.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it's we're gonna be dealing with a brand new Panasonic, and
hopefully this video looks really good, and the first ever 4K video on the channel.
So we're gonna try some of the new things that settings and things that this camera has to offer. So we'll try to let you know what those settings are and things like that if we change them throughout the video. So anyway, stay tuned for more video fun.
I got a box! I got a box. Guess it's in the box? Okay, quick guessing. Let's just open it. Almost. We have... They didn't even, like, put packing stuff in there so much. A new one. And it's Panasonic 4K. You get to watch things in 4K now. You should be excited. And those are all the numbers. And it flippy-doos and stuff. And for those of you who know how klutzy I am, we got me a rapid fire neck strap too.
Focus is not very good. It's not auto. I have to tell it to focus with this one.
I'm excited.
Alright. Yeah. Alright, go ahead and take it out of the box.
Okay, box. I'm not good at this unboxing stuff. I just like to take it out of the box. Okay, so in matte fashion, there's box in a box. There's instructions. And you're supposed to throw them.
Yep, hold on.
Okay. And so in this one, so all those sun flares that we kept getting, this might help a little bit. It's a shroud. It goes on the front of the camera.
Yes.
And this thing in the bubbly wrap, you gotta hold it close to the ground because, well, so it is the new version of the old version. I can reach it. Hold on. See, they look kind of the same, but not.
The new one's cleaner.
Yeah, it doesn't have as much mud caked in it. But they're the same size. And they both have like volume control and wide angle and all those neat zoomy things that we like to do. And you can take still shots, but they're not great still shots. And
well, that's what this camera's for.
yes, that's what we have other things for. And so, and then this is where the new neck strap's going to go. Even though most people would just use this as a tripod. So
You want to put the neck strap on it?
Flippy-doos. And I'm not quite done with my unboxing
oh,
yet.
There's more.
There is more. Don't want to jip them out of any unboxing stuff. So there's cords with this kind of ends that hook to your computer and stuff. Bless you. There's this kind of cord, and this is the one that plugs in to electrify the camera. Then there's this kind of cord.
Three cords.
A pluggy-do and a battery.
Okay.
Oh, and a shoe.
Alright, accessories and a shoe.
Yep.
this is using the 8mm effect on the camera. So now Matt can talk. There you go. So I'm gonna walk I guess I'm gonna walk over there. And so you can flip it if you want to. You can see Matt is looking at the camera now. Are you gonna talk or? Oh, there is a delay. Interesting. So Matt's over there, and I don't think that it's gonna work if I'm that far away. Interesting. Okay, so you're talking, but there's no Wi-Fi because it gets too far away.
Okay.
There we go. So, okay.
What if it's doing just picture-in-picture, or if it's getting audio from both sources as well?
I hope it's getting audio from both sources as well, but we'll have to check, I guess. Okay, so that was an interesting test. The cameras have to be pretty close together.
Yeah, they can't be very far apart.
Okay. All right.
Does it? I wonder if it has to go to the official camera app. Probably.
This is the app that it wants it to go to.
Okay.
This
doesn't look like the normal camera app.
It is not the normal camera app.
So it's a very specific application.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
So we couldn't attach it to this thing.
You could wirelessly. Oh, not to the Osmo, no.
Yeah.
No, we can attach it to your phone, but not to the DJI.
Yeah, it wouldn't work wirelessly. But that's okay.
Our first day with the Panasonic HC-VX981 was sure a fun one. There's more testing to be done. Stay tuned for that. Till next time, this is Kay and Matt from Happy Trails Hiking. Thanks for watching.